Okay, so now let's see the definition of machine learning. So in simple terms, machine learning enables computers to learn from data on how to make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed to do so. So now we will move on to the functions of machine learning. So there are 4 functions of machine learning, which is to handle massive data, adapt dynamically, drive smarter decisions, and also to personalize experiences. So now let's dive into the real-world examples of machine learning. There are so many examples of machine learning in real life. One of it is facial recognition. Other than that, social media optimization and also product suggestions. For facial recognition, there are 3 aspects, which is social, healthcare, and also crime, but commonly used in crime, which is to combat important social issues such as child human trafficking. Next, for email automation and spam filtering, machine learning is commonly used in data security, which is to find patterns in email content that is undesirable. For product suggestions, we could take Shopee or Lazada, for example, which is when we bought something, the app will automatically recommend us what to buy next based on our last purchase. For financial accuracy, machine learning helps to analyze transactions that can't be monitored by humans' eyes. So next, for healthcare advancement, machine learning will also benefit family practitioners because data trends will predict health risks like heart diseases. For social media optimization, commonly used in cybercrime, machine learning has helpful in fighting inappropriate content and also cyberbullying. Lastly, for predictive analysis, Florida International University is one of the examples. They communicate critical insights about academic performance before students are at risk to help them graduate.
Now I'm going to continue with types of machine learning. There are 4 types of machine learning. The first one is supervised machine learning. The second one is unsupervised machine learning. The third one, reinforcement machine learning. And the fourth one is semi-supervised machine learning. For supervised machine learning, this type involves training a model to predict the correct output for a given input. For example, spam email detection and stock price prediction. The second one, unsupervised learning, this type trains a model to discern in-string patterns, dependencies, and correlations in data. For example, anomaly detection and recommendation system. The third one, reinforcement machine learning, this algorithm learns through a process of trial and error to determine the best sequence of action to maximize its reward over time. The final one, semi-supervised machine learning, this model combines aspects of both supervised and unsupervised machine learning. This algorithm is trained on small labeled dataset and large unlabeled dataset, with the labeled data guiding the learning process for the larger body of unlabeled data. Now I'm going to continue with process of machine learning. There are 8 types of machine learning. The first one is data collection, where data can be collected from various sources. And the second one is data pre-processing, where we clean the data, handling missing data, and normalizing the data. The third one is choosing the right model. And the fourth one is training the model, where we feed in the data into the model. And the fifth one is evaluating the model, where we test against validation or test datasets to test accuracy of the model. And the sixth one is hyperparameter tuning and optimization. And the seventh is prediction and deployment. And the final one is model monitoring and maintenance. Deployment model must be monitored to ensure they perform well over time. Now we're moving into importance of machine learning. There are 3 importance of machine learning. The first one is enhancing decision making. The second one is personalizing user experiences. The third one is advancing healthcare, and then enhancing security, transforming industries, and improving efficiency and automation. The first one, enhancing decision-making. Machine learning algorithm analyze vast amount of data, identifying patterns and trends. Machine learning also plays a vital role in predictive analysis, where it can help predict the future trends based on the historical data. The second one, personalizing user experiences. Machine learning algorithm power recommendation system used by platforms such as Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. This system provide personalized recommendation based on user behavior and preferences. The third one is advancing healthcare. Machine learning accelerates drug discovery by predicting how different compounds will interact with biological system. This speeds up the development of new medication and reduces the cost. The fourth one, enhancing security. Machine learning detect fraudulent activities in financial sector. For cybersecurity, using behavioral analytics to determine suspicious or anomalous events that may indicate insider threats or zero-day attacks. The fifth one, transforming industries. Machine learning plays a key role in developing smart cities because it can help to manage resources more efficiently. For instance, it can help optimize traffic flow and improve waste management. The final one is improving efficiency and automation. Machine learning has its ability to automate routine and repetitive tasks. This automation can save times and reduce human error, which leads to more reliable and consistent results.
Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarafana binti Zubir, and I'm going to present to you about the article of machine learning that I chose. This is the title of the article itself. It is an overview of machine learning and its application. The article that I've already summarized into 5 parts, which are introduction. So, machine learning is a field of computer science that builds algorithms which learn from the data and improve with experience instead of following fixed rules. For example, a program can learn to predict traffic patterns by analyzing past data. So, we use machine learning when it comes to human expertise is absent, humans can't explain their expertise, solutions change over time, and for the last one is solution must adapt. So here's the second part of the article that I have summarized. So deep learning is a branch of machine learning inspired by how the brain works. It uses artificial neural networks, ANNs, with many hidden layers, D and N, to automatically learn complex features. So the challenges of using deep learning are overfitting and high computation. For the applications, deep learning is used in OCR, speech recognition, self-driving cars, etc. And for example, machine learning detects eyes and nose for face recognition, while deep learning learns about the distances between those organs. So basically, for the third part of the um, article that I chose, so it is deep learning in big data. So it has 5 properties in big data, which consists of 5 Vs. So these 5 Vs stands for volume, veracity, variety, value, and veracity. So for volume, it handles large data sets, while for variety processes different data formats. Veracity manages reliability of imprecise data types. For velocity, data in motion analysis of streaming data to enable these decisions in second, while for the last point is value in research, healthcare, and other industries. Article is deep learning in AI, artificial intelligence. So deep learning powers many AI applications such as visual recognition, speech processing, as well as the translation. And then for the second part is for gaming, which consists of AI opponents and difficulty adjustment. And then for the third one is aviation and military, which controls traffic management and decision support. And for the last one is for the medicine, specifically for healthcare. The article, which is conclusion. So deep learning has limitation. It struggles with causal reasoning and abstract ideas. Still, it is advancing rapidly with major companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and BD investing heavily. So it is one of the today's most promising technologies with growing global interest. All right, so pros and cons of machine learning is the last part of the PowerPoint. So here's the pros and cons. For pros, it reduces operational cost. For the second point, it improves operational efficiency and accuracy. And for the last one, it improved insights. And for the cons of using machine learning is there are job there are job layoffs and lack of human element as well as the ingrained biases. Thank you.